If you think seriously about it, how many things are more important than the quality of air we breathe? Now you can take advantage of the knowledge and experience that our filter system has to offer. We have over 25 years of experience designing filtration systems for nuclear plants, hospitals, bioterrorism test facilities, and the like. Now you and your family can benefit from the technology we developed for these industries. We know that you have your family's health as one of your highest priorities, and we want to help you achieve that goal by giving your family the cleanest, healthiest air possible. Our filter system will enable you to accomplish this goal. Fiberglass filters. Most businesses and homes use a fiberglass or throwaway filter purchased at a local hardware or retail store. The American Lung Association of the Upper Midwest Health House states, panel filters, usually 1-inch fiberglass filters, are the typical furnace filters installed in the ductwork of most home heating and/or air conditioning systems. These filters do little to remove contaminants from the air. The primary function of these filters are to protect the fan and minimize the amount of dust on the heating and cooling coil. Simply put, these filters are better than nothing, but are doing little to help your air quality. Pleated filters. Most people have switched to a pleated filter, which is better, but pleated filters are still flawed in two specific ways. First, they are a front-loading system that works great for a short period of time, but as the particulate is accumulated, the airflow is restricted, which causes your system to work harder and increases your electric bill. This airflow restriction compounds the second problem, dirty air bypass. Most pleated filters have a cardboard edge which allows 20% of the air to go unfiltered. This percentage increases as the filter becomes clogged and allows even more unfiltered air to bypass the filter medium. We will discuss these two issues in detail in the slides to follow. Issue number 1. Capturing the harmful particles that make up your air. How is our filter system different? Number 1. Our filters allow the AC fan to run more freely, causing less resistance and better airflow. This allows more of the contaminants to actually enter the filter. Number 2. We have a depth loading filter that actually captures these contaminants without starving the AC of its airflow. The filter media is actually a graduated density material. This means that the larger particles are captured all along the front half of the filter, while the smaller particles are captured at the back of the filter. This allows the filter to trap up to 95% of pollen, lint, mold spores, dust, and pet dander that enters the filter while allowing the AC fan to run at full flow. Issue number 2. What do we do with the contaminants that are captured? Other filters capture some of the contaminants, but what happens with them? The answer is nothing. The contaminants grow and spread on the face of the filters. Because 90 to 95% of the air is continually recirculated within your home, this can cause some real health issues, for children especially. While we capture 95% of these contaminants, our filters also are equipped with a tackifier that holds onto the contaminants and eliminates their harmful effects. The contaminants, instead of growing or multiplying, are killed or rendered harmless. This is because our filters are equipped with an antimicrobial treatment that has been used in hospital filters for more than 20 years that kills bacteria, mold, mildew, and other harmful spores. Issue number 3. Most filters allow the air and contaminants to bypass the media. Most filters are equipped with a cardboard or plastic frame. This allows a significant amount of air to go unfiltered. In fact, cardboard edge filters allow 20% of the air to go unfiltered. Dirty air bypass is one of the leading causes of coil fouling, which can cause your system to freeze up and prematurely burn out. Unfiltered air bypass results in no protection from biological agents and microbial contaminants. Both are important concerns in any environment. Our filter system eliminates the risk of unfiltered air bypass around the filter and the filter rack. We utilize a selvage edge to provide self-gasketing, which forces 100% of the air to pass through our superior filter media. Issue number 4. How do I know when to change my filter? Most filters have never been tested to determine when they should be changed. Some claim to have an extended filter life, but in reality, all that is happening is that the fan is being starved even more. How is our filter system different? We have tested our filters under the most stringent of conditions. Our system manages the dirt by utilizing depth loading, which allows our filters to outperform pleated filters. In laboratory testing for filter life, our filters outlasted a high-capacity pleated filter by 75%. Our filters last a solid 3 months, resulting in dramatic savings for you, the consumer. Issue number 5. With all these benefits, our filters have to be expensive. Wrong. Our filters actually save you money and will more than pay for themselves. Plus, our pricing is comparable to or even less than pleated filters. For additional savings, our filter is the only one that will allow your air conditioner or furnace to operate at 100% efficiency due to reduced air resistance. This not only makes for a very quiet filter, but also a lower power bill for you, the consumer. Issue number 6. I always forget to change my filters. We are the only company to offer an auto ship program. Every 3 months, we remember for you and will ship your filters to you automatically. Here are all the reasons our filter is the right one for you. Our filter captures the harmful particles in your home's environment, treats the contaminants that are captured, eliminates the risk of unfiltered air bypass, lasts a full 3 months, is cost-effective, and can be auto-shipped right to your home.